we are making 3 ingredient pancakes. I know, it's so exciting. 3 years ago today, I made 3 ingredient pancakes, and if you look at the views of that video, it's almost at 10k views, guys. 10k views. I know, it's so embarrassing. So, if y'all want to watch the original before you watch this, and you want to watch me embarrass myself as a 12-year-old. Pancakes, welcome to 3 ingredient pancakes 2.0. I know, you never thought you'd see the day, neither did I, but here we are. So, first things first, actually, tie back your hair, because we don't want any of that in our pancakes. No thank you. I'm not looking for a lawsuit. Hell no. Hell no. All you're gonna need for this recipe is 3 ingredients. 3. Oh, I know. Mind blown. So what you're gonna need is a cup of milk. You're gonna need an egg, and you're gonna need the flour of your choice. You can choose self-raising flour or all-purpose flour, or just a cup of it. But today I'm gonna use pancake flour. But if you want an actual recipe, you're gonna watch my 3 ingredient pancake video, because that's what I did before I started today. I watched it so that I knew how to make a 3 ingredient pancake recipe. You should do that too. So once you've stirred your pancake mix enough to make it like really smooth and there's no more lumps in it anymore, you can leave it to sit. Just let it sit for a good 10 minutes. And then, you know, you can chill out for those 10 minutes. You can play with your dog. You can go on a walk. You can pay your taxes. You know, there's plenty of things you could do with that time, you know. Personally, I'm gonna make TikToks. Well, that's how I like to spend my time. Right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get your pan and put it on like the highest heat possible. I have mine on 6. You're gonna put a blob of butter on it, and when that starts to melt, that's how you know it's hot enough. Okay, so have your butter on standby, and I transferred the mixture to a jug because it makes it easier to pour. So that's how we're doing it right now. So basically, when you get all these little bubbly yolks, that's how you know to flip it over. Boom, like that's probably like a little bit overdone, but like you get the idea. Like that's pretty good, especially for the first pancake. Like normally, you can do that if you want. You know, I do that sometimes. You know, you just gotta do. Yeah, that's pancake number 1, and I have a whole jug to go. So let's go.